Today we are going to see chapter number 4, that is analysis of financial statement of standard 12 commerce subject account. So today again we are going to see illustration number 2, where we are going to compare again the statement of profit and loss account. Let's see illustration number 2. Now let's see illustration number 2. Profit and loss statement of Bright Limited for the year ending 31st 3/16 and 31st 3/17 are as follows. On the basis of them, prepare comparative profit and loss statement. So here summary of the profit and loss is given to us. From that we have to prepare the profit and loss comparative statement. So here very first thing that we are going to write is sales revenue. That is given to us. It is for the 14 lakh, and for the 17 it is 16 lakh. So from 16 each we are going to deduct 14 lakh. The difference is 2 lakhs. And to find out in the percentage, 2 lakhs into 100 upon 14 lakh. So that will be 14.29%. In the percentage increase is 14.29. Now the second heading is other expense. So that will be other income, and that is for the 16 it is 2,50,000, and for the 17 3 lakh. So difference is 3 lakh minus 2,50,000. So difference amount is 50,000. Now let's find out the percentage. So in the percentage it is 50,000 into 100 upon 2,50,000. So the amount will be, in the percentage it is 20%. Now let's make the total of this. So total of this will be total income. So that is the third heading. So here it is 14 lakh plus 2,50,000. So 16,50,000. Here 16 lakh plus 3 lakh, 19 lakh. Here it is 2,50,000. So 2,50,000 into 100 upon 16,50,000. So here in the percentage it will be 15.15. So this is the total income. Now from total income we are going to deduct the expense. So here expenses is also given to us in the sum, and it is for the 16 7,20,000, for 17 9,60,000. So from 9,60,000 if we are going to deduct 7,20,000, the balancing amount is 2,40,000, and in the percentage 2,40,000 into 100 upon 7,20,000. So that will be 33.33%. Now from total income, if we are going to deduct the expense, we are going to get profit before tax. So let's do that. So here our next heading is profit before tax, and it is third minus fourth. So here it is 16,50,000 minus 7,20,000. Balancing amount is 9,30,000, and the next one is 9,40,000. So here from 9,40,000, if we are going to deduct 9,30,000, here again it is a 10,000. So to find out the percentage, 10,000 into 100 upon 9,30,000. So that will be here 1.08. So this is the profit before tax. Now here the percentage of tax is given to us in the sum, and it is at 30%. So now we have to provide for that, and that is number 6, and that is less income tax. And that is at the rate of 30%. So now let's find out the 30%, and that 30% of 9,30,000 will be 30% of 9,30,000 will be 2,79,000. Here it will be 2,82,000. And here from 2,82,000, if we are going to deduct 2,79,000, balancing amount will be 3,000. And in the percentage, it is 1.08. 1.08. Now, if we are going to deduct the tax amount from the profit before tax, then we are going to get so this is our profit after tax, and it is 5th minus 6th. So that will be less. So here from 9,30,000 we are going to deduct 2,79,000. Balancing amount is 6,51,000. Now from 9,40,000 we are going to deduct 2,82,000. That will be 6,58,000. Here it is a 7,000. So this is again 1.08. So students, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.